back to the channel once again. We are going to start this year off with some glam candle decor. I'm using these candle bases that I got from Oriental Trading Company probably about a couple of years ago. I have a lot of different things in my stash that I am trying to get rid of. I donated a lot of things over the holidays to Goodwill so I can get them out of my space. They were taking up too much space and collecting dust and in my way. So some things I kept, a lot of things I got rid of. So these are some of the things that I kept. I'm gonna make some glam candle stands today with these. Let's get started, guys. So for this project, I'm using the candle stands that I got from Oriental Trading Company, some glam ribbon that I believe I got from Amazon. You can find this ribbon at several different places, some of your craft stores, Shein, Temu. Get this Fix All adhesive that I got from our local 99 cents only store, but I believe Dollar Tree sells this also, and some mirrors. So let's get started here. Oh, and I forgot, I have the glue gun and some tape. I'm going to take 2 of the candle stands here and I'm going to glue them together using some of the hot glue and the Fix All.
Look my way, I've been patient. Found you here, it's no accident. Subtle cues, follow you where you go. Don't be wasting my time, I won't be chasing. Call my name, no stranger, I know your face. I'll play.
And I'm not going to have to use the tape. Looks like it's staying together pretty good. Now before I glue the mirror on top, I'm going to take some of this glam rhinestone. And I am just going to jazz it up a little bit.
Call my name.
This, I'm going to take the mirror. I'm going to put a little Fix All on the candle base. Hot glue.
Why you here? What's your reason?
Turn the mirror upside down and try to center that mirror as much as possible.
My reason, is it fate? Are you seeking? I've been lost, I've been waiting.
I am not going to glue a candle base onto this because I want to be able to interchange whatever sits on top of here as I please. After I put on my 2 glam pieces, I kind of don't like the way this seam is looking. So I'm going to put on some diamond rhinestone.
Call my name. chasing. Call my name, no stranger to know your face. I'll play your game.
And that handsome young man you see at the bottom, that's my precious son.
Darling, I'm daring into the dark. I'm daring you to call my name. Just call my name. Call my name. Just call my
Isn't that beautiful, guys? Something fast, quick, and simple. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because this year I am going hard with these DIYs and these room makeovers, and you don't want to miss a second of it. Thank you so much for coming back to this channel once again. I appreciate each and every subscriber. And remember, let this be the year that you don't let anyone disturb your peace or your joy. Be blessed.